Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Deputy Shalom with the Sheriff's Office. Do you happen to have your phone on you?
I do, yes.
Okay, if you want to go and hand that to me, please.
Yes.
Okay.
A tough life lesson is about to be taught, and this elementary school student teacher is the one learning it. And the lesson is whatever you post online can be seen by anyone, including the authorities.
You are going to go with us, okay? I do got to process you. You're going to have to stay the night in jail. Okay?
Oh my God.
And just wait until you learn the disturbing post that she allegedly made that got the attention of the FBI and sent law enforcement to her school immediately. We're on the case presented by Law&Crime. I'm Chris Stewart. All right, hey guys, thanks so much for following this episode of On the Case with us. We're able to bring you this story because of our partner, Morgan & Morgan. There's a reason why On the Case is one of the top true crime shows on YouTube, just like there's a reason why Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm. For more than 35 years, they have been fighting for the people, and they've recovered more than $30 billion for their clients. And the proof's in their track record. They have more than 1,000 lawyers across 100 offices nationwide. Hiring Morgan & Morgan is like hiring an army to go into battle for you, a team that will fight hard to get their clients the compensation they deserve. Not all law firms are the same. If you hire the wrong one, you may be beat before you even start. So if you're ever injured, you can check out Morgan & Morgan, and their fee is free unless you win. For more information, you can go to forthepeople.com/OTC, click the link below, or scan the QR code on your screen. We see a lot of stories where students are arrested for making threats on social media, but it's not often that it's someone in a teaching position who gets pulled out of class.
That's recording, just so you know.
All right.
I got a detective coming in. That's who's sitting there.
This is newly released body cam video out of Washington, Illinois. Deputies were called to the local elementary school after the FBI gave them a call because they said they saw a concerning post on Snapchat.
If she has anything with her,
Yes.
I got to have that phone right
Yeah.
away.
Yeah.
If she got a purse or anything,
Yeah.
I'll take that also.
Okay.
So,
she won't
okay.
be any wiser.
She looks very young in the picture.
She is very young. Yeah. We can't believe that.
But that's why I got up here as quick as I could. So.
The account belonged to a woman named Kristen Volpe. According to law enforcement, she's a student teacher at this school, which it's kind of like an internship, but it is still a position of authority. Now, the administrators at the school escort the deputies to a classroom where they wait for Kristen to show up. And once she walks in the room, things get serious. Now, before we get into specifically what she said, this is the moment she's confronted by deputies.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Deputy Shalom with the Sheriff's Office. Do you happen to have your phone on you?
I do, yes.
Okay, if you want to go and hand that to me, please.
Yes.
Okay. The reason we're in contact, you anything else on you? If you wouldn't mind, just lift up you got any weapons on you?
No.
Okay. All right. The reason we're here is, have you been on Snapchat earlier today?
Yes, I was, yeah.
Okay. And like I said, well, I'll go get some stuff first while we, hold off for a second.
Okay, sure.
If you want to hold that, I'll go grab. So I don't got the warning or anything.
Okay.
If you want to, I'm going to go get my computer.
Before we get into the intense discussion that's about to take place, I want to show you the police report that lays out why the FBI decided to call law enforcement and what Volpe allegedly posted. The sheriff's office says that the FBI picked up a possible threat that was made on Snapchat. And that threat stated, quote, "I was halfway through my lesson plan and one of my students pressed the power button on my computer. Lesson plan is gone. Chat, do I shoot the child or just the whole school?" Now, some people might look at that and say, hey, look, it's just a joke. She's a student teacher. Everybody makes mistakes. But the reality is, the world we live in and the reality that school shootings have become far too common, law enforcement can't take these things lightly. And that is the way that they played this.
Like I said, I don't know if you introduced you. That's Detective Robinson. Like I said, I'm Deputy Shalom. I do want to just read your rights here real quick, okay?
Okay.
You didn't read them, did you?
No, not yet.
You have the right to remain silent. If you give up that right to remain silent, anything you do can say will be used against you in court. You have the right to keep an attorney Or your choice before questioning, have the attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you by the court prior to any questioning if you do seek so. You understand each of these rights that I've explained to you? Having in mind, you understand that you have the right and you're willing to talk to us? Okay, perfect. So, we got a call about a snap. So, did you happen to make one today?
I did, yeah.
And what did you say in the snap?
I send a lot of snaps back and forth. I don't
Okay.
know really what this is about.
Okay. How about school today? Anything about school today?
I mean, it's a lot about school. I don't know.
So I guess the other question then, who are you sending them on your wall or whatever it's called, or you send it to someone specifically?
I didn't post anything today, if that's what you're, but no.
Okay. Did you send the things to people
I
today?
send like snaps to like my roommate and my boyfriend. That's
Okay.
it.
So your roommate or boyfriend?
But sorry.
Go ahead.
My boyfriend, it was about like plans later today,
Okay.
and then my roommate was having an anxiety attack today, so I was talking to her.
Okay.
I'm trying to think. I mean, the last thing I was texting was my roommate during our lunch break because she wasn't doing well, and then my boyfriend, like what the plans were. I'm allowed to take pictures of the kids.
Yeah.
My supervisor from ISU said take as many pictures as you can. So I take pictures of the kids. I took a picture of one kid because I always tell stories about it.
Yeah.
So I have that saved. I can delete it if you want, but I do have a picture of one of the students, but I keep it for like my safe keepings of the kids.
How about did any of the kids make you mad today?
No.
Kristen, in this conversation, seems to not know why deputies have come to the school to talk to her.
Nothing about your computer or anything like that? I had a lesson plan and one of the kids turned off my computer on my lesson plan. And I was like, oh, dang. But I never get mad with the kids ever. What did you snap after that? Did you send out?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean.
What? I'm so confused.
Okay. So what I'm going to show you is the snap we received.
Okay.
That is you, correct?
Oh, yes. But, okay, yes. This was a joke, though, but yes.
Who did you send it to?
That was just just to 3 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who would be the 3 people?
It was like not a private story, but like a private. Like there's only 3 people on there. Okay, yeah, I'm realizing that was a bad joke. That was a bad joke.
Who were the 3 people?
My boyfriend, my roommates.
2 roommates?
Yeah, I have 2 roommates.
What are their names?
Now, the next couple of minutes of body cam video, it's redacted, but then the audio comes back and Kristen is laying out what she says was just a joke.
So you're saying you did do this, but you did it as a joke?
It was as a joke, and it was only 3 people. I'm realizing now that it was stupid. And I did not mean it at serious at all. I'm not a violent person. You can ask any of the teachers. I'm very calm. But I was working on a lesson plan and she turned it off and I was like, bro, come on. But it wasn't meant to be violence in any way.
Do you have any weapons in any
No,
bags?
you guys can check
Search
anything.
it.
I have a backpack too. I don't know if she had it. Yeah, it's right there. I feel like such an idiot right now.
So phone job. phone for as evidence at this time. Is there any numbers that you want to get out of here before?
Yeah, probably my mom's phone number
Okay,
or my roommate's
do
too.
you want to open that for me?
Yeah, it's 2626. And then you can go into like the phone contacts, but I might need to like write it down somewhere.
Is there contact? Alright, and who are you wanting?
My mom.
I put it in airplane mode, John.
Okay.
If you just go to contacts, it should have like the number.
It wasn't.
Yeah, I put it in
Oh, you
airplane.
put it in.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, I'm sorry. Alright. Anybody else?
That should be it, honestly.
I'd like to see if you can read my writing here. See if you can read that. It's did you want to do a written statement about this, or
I'm just gonna ask, like, do you know what's gonna happen?
well, I'm going to call our supervisor here as soon as I was going to wait for the kids, at least the busy right now, right? So I'm going to step out and talk to him real quick. If you'd like to write, which happened with this, or it's up to you. When you told us that it was a joke, but
Yeah,
it's
I know. Yeah.
So it's up to you. I'll step out and call him if you don't mind.
Yeah, I want to say something to you real quick.
What's that?
One of the deputies steps out to go talk to a supervisor on the phone as Kristen sits anxiously in the classroom.
And you checked all this?
Yep.
Okay. Did you need a drink or anything?
I didn't see the consensus search form. Should be one for electronic device, but
I can grab it.
if you got one,
Yeah.
Otherwise I probably have.
I'll go grab it.
Do you even own any firearms?
No.
Do you have a FOID card or anything?
No.
Do you have access to firearms?
No.
Okay.
No one I know even has a void card.
Okay. What we're gonna do is probably have you sign a consent to search your phone so we can go through it and make sure there's nothing else as far as your statement you made. And then I don't know, it probably won't be today. It'll probably be tomorrow or Friday before you get it back. Do you have access to another phone?
No.
No. You might have to buy one or something to get you through the next couple days. But
After law enforcement get Kristen to sign a consent form, deputies then search her phone, and they also search through her classroom, and they say they were looking for weapons. They didn't find anything, but still, even though she says this was a joke, they break the news to her that she isn't going home tonight.
yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. This is a serious offense, okay?
I know.
How we got it was the FBI. okay?
Oh, okay.
So, I mean, you did say shoot
Yeah.
student, and so you are gonna go with us, okay? I do gotta process you. You're going to have to stay the night in jail,
Oh,
okay?
oh my god. This is crazy.
I know.
I did not mean it to get to this
I know.
far. Like, this is insane.
But how today is, I mean, if we said it, I believe you.
I know.
It's tough. I'm gonna be honest. Like I said, we were going with what we saw, and so we have to respond that way. And, okay, so if you would like, they could take your car.
Mm-hmm.
You want them to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't have a
They
problem.
can
Okay.
take my car. I don't care.
Okay.
My keys are in my jacket.
Which pocket? The right pocket?
Either one. It's in there.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they're gonna like that. And say turn over review our case.
When I'm in there, am I able to like call my mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to give them the whole key ring? Do you want to?
The whole thing is fine.
It's got your
ID,
driver's license. You want me to take this off?
Yes, please.
Is this your car key in the remote or
Yeah.
the fob?
Yeah, just the keys, yeah.
And if you would like, if I can ask the school, I mean, you can call mom before we leave, because you're gonna be in like a holding area, so I can, at least if you'd like to make one call here, if you'd like to do that.
Yeah, cause she'll probably like meet me there.
See, here's,
Dude, like how does this work? Cause I told him, I was like, I've never even been pulled over, like
I know,
I've never
I know.
been anything.
I'm just gonna put everything else except for this back in your coat, okay?
Like,
So what's gonna happen is it's gonna be processed then, okay, so they'll ask you, like, I'm gonna ask you the questions right now, and they'll take in, they'll ask you the same questions, take a picture of you, then you'll stay in a holding cell until tomorrow. And say, "Friends, when you do all your reports."
She's given permission for them to take her car.
Okay. Okay,
She's
we'll go
gonna
find
be
you.
staying overnight.
Oh, okay, very good.
Are you Mrs. Ellis?
I am not. I'm Mrs.
Okay.
Davidson. Do you need Mrs. Ellis?
I don't know if John's talked to her yet. I was gonna talk to her for just a little bit.
Okay. Oh, no, they got a ride. There's a student teacher at Manor that can take them. Or
Would
does
she
does
like them
want
to
She would like them to take her car, yeah.
Thank you.
Otherwise, it's gonna be here
Okay.
for overnight.
Yeah.
When I get asked why they're taking her car, any guidance on what I can and cannot say?
Let me get back with you on that one. Yeah,
And
she's,
safety and training wise, she's
yeah,
Directed me to have you, one of you take the car if you
she's
can.
safe.
yeah. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, that sounds good.
Isn't that nice?
She can explain it,
All right. So I'm calling for the hearing.
yeah.
where is
You're gonna be in Pekin.
Okay.
It's the Tazewell County Sheriff's Office, so you can go find out that, so, did you ask them if she could use that phone here?
No, I can.
Yeah, if you want to just ask them.
Okay.
Deputies then get statements from some teachers who know Kristen. They say that she is not someone who ever seemed violent, but deputies, they have to take anything that seems like a threat seriously. Kristen, in the meantime, she's calling her parents to let them know that she is off to jail.
Where is
You're gonna be in Pekin.
Okay.
It's the Tazewell County Sheriff's Office, so you can go find out that, so, did you ask them if she could use that phone here?
No, I can.
Yeah, if you want to just ask them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can she dial out on this phone in here?
Yes, and 9 first, 9 and then
The number?
the number she's dialing.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's long distance, 9-1.
Okay, thank you. Just dial 9-1 and the number. She said you can go ahead, yeah. Did you talk to Mrs. Ellis? Yeah.
That was with her?
That she's student teaches for.
Quiet.
Okay.
She's out there if you want to go.
I didn't know if you wanted to talk to her. You want me to talk to
I
her?
guess I could go.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to step
Hey,
on your toes.
it's me. I'm at the school right now, and I made a stupid post on Snapchat, and it was a joke. It was fully a joke. It was so stupid. And now, somehow, the cops came and they found me. And they're taking me to jail. They're taking me to Pekin. I wish this was a joke. I really do. I'm so scared. They're taking me to Pekin. So I need you to meet me out in Pekin. What's it? Pekin jail. Pekin County Jail. I need you to meet me there. I don't know what. It was just a joke. It was a stupid Snapchat. And now it's got it. I am so sorry. I don't know what to do. It's Pekin County Jail.
Tazewell County.
Tazewell, Pekin County Jail. They're making me spend the night. I'm so sorry. I'm such an idiot. Okay.
They're not able to do it.
They aren't.
One can't drive because she's got seizures, and the other one said they lined up a ride, so they're gonna
Okay.
have to sit here overnight. It's fine.
Okay, all right. They aren't gonna take your car, so. Just put this back on here.
Those keys are my apartment keys, so I'm gonna need those.
Yeah, I'm just putting your car key back on
Oh.
the ring and putting it back in your pocket.
Wait, they're not taking my car?
No,
Oh,
one can't drive,
yeah, she is.
and then the other one's already made arrangements and they're on their way, so. And the principal said it's fine here overnight if you just want to pick it up. So. Yeah.
Get a hold of Mom?
She's meeting me there.
Okay.
Do you think there will be a bond or no?
So the whole new law changed about bonding and that, I don't know how it works anymore. I mean, I'll be
I
honest.
don't think there's a
The-
bond.
Well, I mean, tomorrow,
Yeah,
like when she sees the state's attorney. It's
Yeah.
either hold or release, right?
Yeah.
So there'll
So
be,
for sure I'm staying there tonight.
yes.
Okay.
Deputies reportedly said that they came to the conclusion that Volpe posed no threat, and she did make that comment out of what they called exasperation, according to local media.
You want to pop your trunk there?
Right there. Just going to go around the waist.
Deputies arrested Volpe. She was then booked into the county jail on a charge of disorderly conduct. According to 25 News Now in Illinois, the superintendent sent a letter to parents about what happened, and that letter said that Volpe would not return to finish her educational assignment as a student teacher. That will do it for On the Case, presented by Law&Crime. Subscribe to us on YouTube and Spotify, and we're also now streaming on Peacock. I'm Chris Stewart. We'll see you next time.